Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our segment on popular science. Today, we will collectively unravel one of the seemingly small but incredibly fascinating, and sometimes annoying, mysteries of daily life. Why do mosquitoes bite some people more than others? Right from the start, we often hear those irksome ouches, those complaints about mosquitoes behaving like hungry wolves around us. But why do some people get bitten relentlessly, while the person next to them remains completely untouched? This is not a random coincidence. Rather, behind it lies a complex scientific mechanism that scientists have diligently worked to decipher. Scientists, like persistent detectives, have delved deep and discovered that a mosquito's choice of prey is closely linked to how they track us down. Remember, only female mosquitoes bite, as they need blood to provide essential nutrition for their eggs. Male mosquitoes, on the other hand, only seek nectar for food. So how do these female mosquitoes find us? They are equipped with an incredibly sophisticated set of antennae, hidden within hair-like appendages, packed with highly sensitive odor-sensing receptors and neurons. In the first step, mosquitoes can detect the carbon dioxide, CO2, we exhale from as far as 10 meters away. This is the initial green light signal. Once they have identified the general vicinity, they move on to the second stage, sensing body heat and the various odors produced by the bacteria on our skin. Yes, it's these bacteria residing on our skin, thriving on our sweat and sebum, that release small, volatile organic compounds, acting like magnets attracting hungry mosquitoes. Sometimes, temporary factors can increase our attractiveness to mosquitoes, such as excessive sweating after physical activity, alcohol consumption, or even pregnancy in women. However, an interesting fact is that about 20% of unlucky individuals are naturally dubbed mosquito magnets, attracting these bloodsuckers more than others spontaneously. So why this striking difference? While there is some anecdotal evidence suggesting that certain blood types, like type O, might attract more mosquitoes compared to type A, the most substantial reason why a mosquito targets a specific person lies in the type of germs living on your skin. That's right, each of us hosts a unique community of microorganisms on our skin, and it is this community that produces a distinct body odor, composed of various chemical compounds. Researchers have found that mosquitoes are most drawn to people whose skin produces high levels of carboxylic acids. The composition of this unique set of germs partly depends on our diet and environment, but there is also evidence that genetics can play a role in determining why some people have specific germs that produce more mosquito-attracting acids. Understanding why mosquitoes favor some people over others is not merely a matter of personal comfort. It also has significant implications for public health and disease prevention. Remember, mosquitoes are the deadliest predators on the planet, responsible for the death of millions annually as they spread diseases like malaria, yellow fever, dengue, Zika, and many others through their itchy bites. Knowing which people attract more mosquito bites could assist them in obtaining better precautionary measures, such as vaccines, if available, repellents, mosquito nets, etc., ultimately aiding in saving countless lives. Furthermore, each of us can contribute to the fight against mosquitoes through simple actions like emptying containers that collect water, providing long-sleeve clothes or sheets to those sleeping on the streets, and educating others about the subject to ensure everyone's safety and health. And here's another fascinating thing. Do you believe we should exterminate mosquitoes once and for all? That might not be such a good idea, as they play a crucial role in maintaining our ecological balance. You want to know why? Please watch our video titled, "What if all mosquitoes disappeared?" Trivia time. Did you know there are more than 3,500 species of mosquitoes? And out of them, only about 100 species bite humans. I hope you've learned something new and interesting today. See you next time on the show. Goodbye, and remember to protect yourselves from these pesky bloodsuckers.